show you guys a couple of things I use. Like I use Dove, hair mask, shampoo, and conditioner. And yeah, I just want to wash my hair because I have to put on gel on it. I just make it in 4 big all back, or what do you call it, like just to wash them, because I don't like to wash my hair when it's open. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you guys.
I know I didn't have to walk